Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will show you how to make a circular pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. First, go to the File menu, place Embedded, and select your image. And adjust it. Go to the Select menu, and click on the subject. And create a layer via copy or press Ctrl+J. Delete the embedded image. Now, select the rectangular marquee tool. Make a small selection of the image, and create a layer via copy or press Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+T. And adjust it. Drag the pixels to the upside. Again, make a selection of the different colors of the image. And repeat the process. Select the pixels layers and press Ctrl+E. Go to the Filter menu, Distort, and then Polar Coordinates. Then zoom out the pixels. And adjust it. Now, go to the pixels layer, choose the brush, and erase the extra area. Then go to the pixels layer and create a new layer. Choose the brush, and apply brush. Press Ctrl+T and adjust it. And it's done. If you have any questions you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.